Probably the number one most common question I get in regards to Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Teepublic is how do I find niches so that I can make some sales? So in this video, I've actually got a neat little offshoot. It's like a micro niche strategy, and it's kind of fun. So I wanted to share it with you. And look, it's not for everybody. I'm not suggesting you're going to make $1 million, billion off of it. But if you're looking to have an interesting, fun experience, this can be the way to go to try to find new niches that possibly can make some sales. Let's jump in. Okay, so the site that I'm on here is called reddit.com, and it's like a bulletin board for the internet. And so there's different little subreddits over on the right-hand side, and these are like little groups. You can join these groups and you can post about very specific things, soccer, Formula One, hockey, and then there's also news. So lots of people actually get their news through Reddit, and you can also watch little videos, and you can share and really, like and comment on different things that are pretty cool. So the cool thing about this strategy is you just need to go to reddit.com, and you don't need to know how Reddit works, or you don't need to join any groups or anything like that. I'm just going to type into the search bar, I'm going to type in, I want this shirt. That's it. And what you're going to get back are a bunch of posts in different groups, and there are pictures of the shirts. So you could click on one and you can see, okay, this person wants the shirt. Now I'm gonna warn you in advance, some of these are a little bit rude, they're risque, they're kind of weird. So here's one that says humor, I want this shirt. I'm gonna click on this little picture, and we can see here it says, your wife, my wife, and the wife loves it and the husband loves it and everybody's hilarious. And by the way, if this lady looks familiar, this is the actress that plays Wonder Woman, Gal Gadot. So it's kind of funny because this is actually the husband. So anyway, total aside. So the idea here is that somebody has posted that they want this shirt inside of this group here. It says, welcome to the planet. This is 4 years ago, but you can find really recent stuff here too. So what you can do on Reddit is you can type in a search phrase like, need this shirt. I want this shirt. What a great shirt. Love this shirt. Does anyone know where I can find this shirt? And you're going to get back search results. Now you can sort them here by relevance, hot, new. So if I go into new, for example, we can see about 4 minutes ago, this person posted, last night I dreamt I was in a school. Here's the shirt. It says Mimi GIF or meme GIF, and he thinks that's hilarious. So again, I'm not saying every single one of these things is going to be a home run, but you can often stumble across Reddits, or what they call subreddits, which are these little group posts where people are talking about different shirts and they're saying, I want that shirt. Okay, so I'm going to highlight how this process works, and I'm going to use a really old example, but I'm using an old example on purpose, and I'll show you here in about a minute why that's the case. So this is actually 8 years ago. A person on Reddit posted, I want that shirt like now, I can't find it anywhere. And when I click on this picture, there's a quarterback from the NFL. Again, 8 years ago, he was playing in the NFL. His name's Phillip Rivers, and he's got a t-shirt here, and it's got a phrase on there that this person says they really like. So as you scroll on down, Mr. Smarty Pants says, here's what it means, and it's taken from one of the writings and blah, blah, blah. So it says, now I begin, and it's like a phrase in another language. Okay, great. So bottom line is somebody really likes this shirt and they want it. So when I go onto Redbubble, I can see there's 45 results for the actual phrase, which isn't a lot, right? So I'm not suggesting this is a massive trend. I'm not suggesting you're going to buy a yacht with your Redbubble sales. But if you're looking for a micro niche strategy, somebody somewhere has said they want the shirt, and you can scroll down and you can see if other people like stuff, right? Now, obviously, you don't want to do copyrighted stuff. You don't want to do the NFL or any sort of logos. I'm just talking strictly about the words on the shirt, that if it's not copyrighted or if it's not trademarked, then there you go, 45 results. When I go into Teepublic, I get 1 result. Now it says 3, but the other 2 aren't really applicable. So there's really just 1. So this is how you make sales in micro niches, is you basically bang out 5 or 10 of these designs, and then now you own the whole niche. Even on Redbubble, if I put in 10 more designs, I would have like a 20% ownership of this entire niche. It's a tiny niche, I totally admit that. But if you find something that's relatively recent and you find that there's a lot of interest on it, like here, for example, this little 30, that means that people can upvote it or downvote it. There's 30 upvotes. So people say, hey, I really like that. So if you find one with a lot of upvotes and it's relatively recent, hey, check out Redbubble, check out Teepublic, and see if there's an opportunity waiting for you. I hope you found that helpful. Quick little tip, if you're into micro niching, again, not everybody is, but if you are, have some fun with it, and hopefully you find something that could result in a sale. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Take care.